Yes, everybody. There's no more Nature Boy. There's no more Chief Religio. We have the new Christ, Jesus. Is he portraying Jesus? Anybody, anybody out there, please answer that. Because that's what it looks like to me.
The kingdom of God is the mind of God. I am. We are all astrological programmers, trying to understand that we are God. I am God, you are God. You are me, and I am you, vibrating at a different frequency.
Look at Joy. Joy does not want to be there with her baby. And I noticed the whole time in this video, she was shaking back and forth like, no, 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 you are not the Christ. No, no, you are not Jesus. And the poor baby's out there in that hot sun, and she is not happy at all. I can just feel Joy's, I can just read her body language, Just peep that.
Of ourselves. We are the sun. And each individual unit or person is a fractal version of itself. We are the sun experiencing life in human form subjectively. One mind.